Hi, we've received our HelloSure alarm system, and now let's see what we find in the box. In the box, first of all, we find a welcome flyer. In the welcome flyer, there is a QR code. This QR code allows us to access the manuals and guides for our HelloSure alarm system. On the back of this flyer, we have 4 invitation codes. These 4 invitation codes allow our friends to have a free trial month of the HelloSure alarm system. And at the end of the trial month, if these 4 friends of ours, all 4 of our friends have a subscription, activate a HelloSure subscription, we will have a free subscription. In the box, first of all, we find the HelloSure hub. This is the beating heart of our alarm system. The HelloSure hub is provided with its power supply, which is included. We also have a temperature and humidity sensor that connects directly to the HelloSure hub. In addition, a mounting bracket is provided with the relative fixing screws. This is very useful because it will allow our alarm system to also have an anti-tamper system. So, when our alarm system is detached from the wall, it will sound to alert us and tell us that indeed there is a tampering with the burglar alarm. We have several sensors in the box, one of which is a presence sensor with its fixing support. We also have a magnetic sensor for doors and windows that will tell us when a door or window is open or closed. With the sensor, an adhesive is also provided to be able to easily mount this sensor on doors and windows. Finally, in the box we find 2 remote controls. These remote controls will allow us to control our alarm system locally. With all these sensors, we can expand our sensor set. Here to my left, you see an example of sensors that we can find, and these sensors can be found in the store on our site or directly in the HelloSure application.